Good morning, guys. Hope we're all well. Just a very quick update, a morning update on the 15-minute DMT chart and the trade that we are currently in on the bot. So you can see we are still in profit on this trade. We're not far away from the 2% trading take profit. On here it says that will be 9701 on 3Commas. So I'm guessing that's when the bot will then start taking it, although obviously our entry, the entry on the bot was slightly higher, so I did calculate this trading take, the 2% is slightly higher, but it's fine. It's only fine margins. But yeah, so not getting too far away from that trading take profit, which is fantastic. The other great thing about this trade now is that we have our basically what is our stop is now at the entry, so we've in effect mitigated all risk on this trade now, so we can't lose money, so we're at a break-even stop loss near enough, and that is obviously coming down fast now. And then so if you do want to zoom in, it does definitely look like we have a potential descending triangle playing out here as well, so we know how they like to play out. So that's like 10,000 to what we could say $250 move. So $250 move from the bottom of the triangle would take us, it was that to basically take us down to that near enough, that just under that 9,500 area that we have been talking about. So there's a lot of confluence in that area, and also there's that obviously that projected move down to there. So we could I think it's definitely possible we'll see a move down at least to here before we potentially bounce, but maybe even continuing down. I definitely think there is a potential to trap in a lot of bulls. A lot of bulls will already be, there'll be a lot of bulls already trapped, but trapping a lot more bulls, and also the people that have been buying this up all the way can start to panic. So I think we've got a bit more of a squeeze downwards to go. Bitmex funding is good as well, I've noticed. Obviously entering this 3Commas bot on market orders, my realized profit from the market order fees is now being reversed, so that's good. So it's always good to be against what the majority of the market is doing, purely on the basis that if everyone's buying, you need more buyers to sustain that run. So if they run out of buyers, then there can then only be more sellers, and those buyers then turn into sellers also. So that's the quick update. Currently the trade is at about 1.6% profit, unleveraged profit. So so I will do a video this evening where we will then talk about what's happened during the course of today. But yes, I mean, for our position, hopefully we see this break down to 9,500, and then we can assess the situation then. Thanks for listening, guys. Remember, it's not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Disclaimer in the video. I will speak to you guys later.